Hello and welcome to Flavors and Seasonings. Today we are going to make rainbow popsicles. Rainbow popsicle is a cool and yummy treat in summers. Made with 100% natural organic fruits, it is very healthy, sweet, nutritious, and kids will love this, and it's a no-guilt icy treat for them. We're going to make these rainbow popsicles with 100% fresh fruits. You can call them fresh fruits popsicles as well. So my kids love popsicles, and when I make these rainbow popsicles for them, they're on cloud 9. Any kid would love them, even the grown-ups would love them. So now let's get started to make these popsicles. Fruits are required. So first fruit over here which I've taken is strawberry, 1 cup. I have blended the strawberry in a blender jar to make a puree out of it. So the fresh puree of strawberry is ready. The next thing we require is the popsicle holder. Any type of popsicle holder you can use. I'm going to add my first layer of strawberry puree into the popsicle holder. Now I'm adding 1 to 1.5 tablespoons into each popsicle mold. We are adding only fresh fruits into this popsicle. No sugar, no preservatives are added. Now after this, we are going to keep these popsicles into the freezer for 1 hour to freeze. The next layer which I'm going to put is of the orange. I've taken 2 small oranges and made a puree out of it. And see, the fresh orange puree is ready. Now I've taken out these popsicle molds. You can see they're freezed now, and I'm adding 1 to 1 tablespoon of orange puree into each of the mold like this. This is our second layer of fruit. This is such an easy recipe. You can enjoy making it with your kids. They would love to help you, I'm sure, and it would be so fun with making it with the kids. I'm putting the sticks into the mold, and we're going to freeze it for around 40 minutes now. This time we're going to freeze it for 40 minutes, not for 1 hour. And then we're going to take it out for the next layer. The next layer, or the third layer, is of the mango fruit. I've taken the pulp out of a ripe mango, 1 mango, and I've pureed it to make it smooth. Now take out the mold, and you can see the orange layer is freezed. We're going to take out the sticks and now add the puree of mango, 1 to 1.5 tablespoon approximately, to each of the mold like this. So there it goes. This is our third fruit layer. You can add as many layers you want according to the space and arrangement in your particular mold. I'm adding only 5 fruits over here. Put the sticks back carefully into the mold, and now freeze it for another 40 minutes into the freezer. The fourth layer I have chosen is of the kiwi fruit, which is green in color. Beautiful color. After yellow, orange and red, now it's the turn of the green color. So we're going to puree. I've taken 2 kiwis and pureed it, adding it as the fourth layer over here above the mango layer like this. Place back the sticks again like this and freeze it for another 30 to 40 minutes. Carefully we need to place the sticks back into the same gap and freezing it for another 30 to 40 minutes. The final layer is of the blueberry. I've taken 1 cup of blueberry and pureed it. Take out the popsicle mold out of the freezer. You can see the layer of kiwi is semi-freezed. We're going to add the final layer of blueberry into it. Lots of variations can be done in making this rainbow popsicle. Any type of arrangement, any type of color of fruits can be added, and different type of molds can be used according to your wish and choice. I have used fresh fruits over here. You can use frozen fruits also. Now I'm placing the sticks back to the mold carefully And we are now going to freeze this popsicle for around 2 to 3 hours so that it would freeze completely. So we're going to take it out after 2 to 3 hours on a plate consisting of ice cubes so that it doesn't melt. I'm going to demold it like this. Oh wow, see, look at the gorgeous, beautiful rainbow popsicle with different fruit layers, and it's out of the freezer, nice and ready to eat. We're going to take one more. I'm going to show you one more. To demold them, you can just put them in warm water for 1 to 2 minutes. It would come out easily. You can see the different layers: strawberry, orange, mango, kiwi and blueberry. I have used 5 fruits, so there are 5 layers. You can use different type of fruits and more or less layers according to your choice. Definitely experiments can be done with these popsicles. So the rainbow popsicles from fresh fruits are ready. You can have them with your kids. They would definitely love them in summers. As I have already mentioned, these are 100% natural, made of organic fruits. You can use any type of fruits, any variations can be done, and these are going to be thoroughly enjoyed by the kids and the grown-ups. It is super easy to make them. You just have to have a popsicle holder and fruits of your choice. That's it. Nothing much is required. It's a cook-free recipe. So guys, do try this recipe in these summers at home. Enjoy it, and please give your thoughts and feedback. If you like it, please hit the like button, share it and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.